Hi everyone, welcome back to Dr. Nazmi Education channel, your space to understand medical topics in a simple, practical, and skin-friendly way. Today, I am talking about something that often gets confused with acne or skin allergies: rosacea. In this video, I'll go over the 4 main types of rosacea and how each one is managed through modern medical treatment. So, let's get started. Quick recap on what is rosacea. Rosacea is a chronic inflammatory skin condition that affects the central part of the face, especially the cheeks, nose, forehead, and chin. It causes persistent redness, visible blood vessels, and sometimes pimples or thickened skin. It's not an infection, it's a vascular and inflammatory disorder triggered by factors like sunlight, spicy food, heat, alcohol, and even emotional stress. The good news? With the right treatment and lifestyle changes, rosacea can be well controlled. Types of rosacea or their modern management. Rosacea isn't the same for everyone, it shows up in different forms, depending on which part of the skin, or even eyes, is affected. Typically presents during adulthood, though it can rarely affect children. Dermatologists usually classify rosacea into 4 different clinical subtypes during the disease, sometimes overlapping. First, erythematottelangiectatic rosacea, ATR. Second, papulopustular rosacea. Third, phimosis rosacea. Fourth, ocular rosacea. First, erythematottelangiectatic rosacea, ATR. The redness type. This type mainly causes persistent redness on the cheeks, nose, and forehead, along with visible tiny veins, called telangiectasia. It's the most common and usually the earliest form of rosacea. Tip: use gentle cleansers and fragrance-free moisturizers. Rosacea skin is sensitive, treat it kindly. Management: topical vasoconstrictors like brimonidine or oxymetazoline help reduce redness by narrowing blood vessels. Laser or IPL, intense pulsed light, therapy can target and fade visible blood vessels effectively. Sunscreen, SPF 30 or higher, is a must, every day. Avoid known triggers, heat, alcohol, and sun exposure. Second, papulopustular rosacea, the acne-like type. This type looks a lot like acne, with pimples, pustules, and redness, but remember, there are no blackheads or whiteheads like in acne vulgaris. Management: topical metronidazole, azelaic acid, or ivermectin creams help reduce inflammation and bacterial overgrowth. Oral antibiotics like doxycycline are often prescribed for their anti-inflammatory properties, not just to kill bacteria. Mild cleansers and non-comedogenic moisturizers should be used regularly. Avoid harsh exfoliants or alcohol-based toners, as they worsen irritation. Fun fact: when treated properly, this type responds quite well within a few weeks. Third, phimosis rosacea, the thickened skin type. This is a less common but more advanced type, where the skin becomes thickened, bumpy, or uneven, especially on the nose, a condition known as rhinophoma. It's seen more often in men. Management: in mild cases, oral isotretinoin may help prevent progression. For thickened or enlarged tissue, laser resurfacing, dermabrasion, or surgical excision may be needed to restore the natural shape. Regular dermatology follow-up is essential to monitor changes early. Tip: don't wait for it to progress, early medical care makes a big difference. Fourth, ocular rosacea, the eye type. Ocular rosacea affects the eyes and eyelids, causing dryness, redness, burning, watery eyes, and sometimes blurred vision. Many patients don't even realize their eye symptoms are linked to rosacea. Management: artificial tears or lubricating eye drops for dryness. Warm compresses and eyelid hygiene to keep oil glands clear. Oral doxycycline is commonly used to control inflammation. In severe cases, referral to an ophthalmologist is necessary to protect vision. Tip: it can even cause blurred vision if not treated on time. So if your eyes feel irritated along with facial redness, don't ignore it. See a dermatologist or ophthalmologist early. General management or lifestyle tips: no matter the type, a few things always help. Use gentle, fragrance-free skincare. Apply broad-spectrum sunscreen daily. Avoid heat, alcohol, spicy food, and hot beverages. Don't scrub or over-exfoliate your face. Manage stress, it's a big trigger. And of course, follow your dermatologist's plan consistently. Rosacea isn't curable, but it's very manageable with the right care. So, that's all about the types of rosacea and their modern management approaches. Remember, the key is early recognition and gentle, consistent treatment. Your skin can absolutely heal and glow again with patience and the right care. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Dr. Nazmi Education channel for more trusted medical insights. Drop your questions in the comments. I'd love to help you understand your skin better. Till next time, stay healthy, stay confident, and love your skin.